Welcome to the Wadi Rum Camp in Jordan. So we booked a tent, one of the black ones. Actually, they upgraded us because we were supposed to have a shared bathroom, but they upgraded us to a private area with an epic view. And so we're going to check out the camp and give you a tour. Here we go. Upon arriving to the Dream Camp, take time to explore the tents. As mentioned before, you can reserve the black tents, but there's also an option for the premium dome tents, which range between $71 and $212 per night. The tents are furnished with beds, mattresses, blankets, pillows, linen, and towels. Free Wi-Fi is available throughout the camp, and breakfast, lunch, and dinner are included. As with Petra, Wadi Rum is known in history as being part of the spice trade route and made popular by the movie Lawrence of Arabia. To get a feel of what the caravan travel would have been like, you should pay a little extra to ride the camels. Now, this was my first time riding one, so I wasn't ready for the smells. Let me hear that clap. Clap.
Hit up, ball, button, beat up, ball. Hit up, ball, up, ball. Hit up, ball, button, beat up, ball.
After a song-filled camel ride, I recommend that you explore the village a few miles outside of the campsite. To be honest, I was a little concerned about being in the middle of the desert with my godfather in the event of an emergency, but the village gave me peace. Oh, and word of advice, don't take too long shopping or you will get left behind. Next stop, enjoy a sunset view on the desert mound. Now, many vloggers post themselves pretending to have a good time, but as you can see, most times it's an illusion. So whenever you organically meet people like Adim of Germany, the fun is actually authentic. Oh, and by the way, ladies, he wanted me to tell you, and I quote, "I'm a super cool guy. Here's my Instagram. Please add me." So why did we choose Wadi Rum Dream Camp? Out of all the places in Wadi Rum, the lights are what make this campsite unique. The final activity that you will enjoy is a dinner by the campfire, followed by an introduction to traditional Bedouin music played and sung by the guides of the camp. And wherever there's music, there will be dance. By the end of the day, the camp becomes silent. As guests turn in for a night's rest, take a moment to imagine how the local tent dwellers experience life on an everyday basis. Watch this. Deo, he said Deo. That's my godfather having the time of his life. You want to live to 80, you'll do the same thing, okay? All right, guys, so we're at the Wadi Dream Camp. We're wrapping things up.
Hi, guys. So if you want to book here in Wadi Rum, I am here. I am guide here in Wadi Rum. So he want to put my Instagram and in the video. You are welcome in Wadi Rum.
And the view will be epic, as you can see in the background. Bam! Come visit.